Hi, Louis here. This quick video is just response to our new user, new Lightwave user, which comes from Maya. So I'm not really sure do I read the name properly, so I won't guess. Mana, let's stay at that. So he asked about actually weld tool, but in Maya it's obviously different system. So snap drag tool works, but then you have 2 points on top of each other. So let me show you how to use it. I'll use shortcuts, but I'll let you know which tool is it. So create a box, and by default it's 1 by 1 meter, and it's always good to have numeric panel on, because see, N key is numeric. So I always have it open on the side, just like layers. So you can add segments, and for this video we need more segments. So you can type here or drag, or you can go with cursor here with mouse and just use up and down arrow keys to add segments. See, down, up, 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 up. Here also up, just hitting, or left and right. See, now you can do it here also, but you need to react to cursor rotation and something like that. So it's easier to do it in this orthographic views, and spacebar to drop it. Now you have the box, and you can switch the modes here, or have it on the shortcut keys on my mouse like I do. But you asked about snap drag tool or something like that. So you select the point, and now you want to snap it here. Snap drag tool is Shift G, and now you are in the snap drag tool. See, connected point, all points, 1 point in this case. I need that. So that's why this numeric panel is important, because it offers you some more options in case there is options. Some tools are pretty simple, so there is no lot of options. But now, see, if you switch to wire, or to see the points better, now when you drag this, it snaps to this. See, it snaps, this one snaps here, and so on. But see this ugly angle, ugly triangle? It's not actually triangle, it's still quad, but just looks like triangle. And you can see that by opening info panel. See, just hit I key, and when you select polygon, it says, see, this polygon is 4 points, and this one is also 4, but the flatness limit is degenerate. The polygon is crazy because you have 2 points sit on each other. So although it looks like triangle, it's not. And that's what you can see here easily. Or there is W polygon statistics. See, when you switch to points, it shows points. When you switch to edges by spacebar, point, edge, poly, it shows you statistics of each mode. So that's like HUD, how options head-up display in Maya probably, or in 3D Max. We don't have that sadly, but we have this point and poly stats window. So you see there is only quads, 4 vertices. When you are polygon mode, you have only 4 point polys. Although this one and this one looks like triangles, but they're not. That's because we have 2 points here. And see, selection down there on the left corner, cell selection 2. So when I go here and pick this point, looks like 1, but it's 2. If I pick 1, then it's 1. This one, then it's only 1. So that's the problem you're having, and you're hitting the M key for merge, and that works. 2 points eliminated. That's great. But now you need to be aware that now you have 2-point polygon. See here in polygon stats, when I click this plus sign, it will pick that 2-point polygon. We have 2 triangles. See, it picks them, and we have rest of it is quads. So This may not seem like a big deal, but if you are going to use subdivision surface, see, hit tab key, you get this error message. Only faces with 3 or 4 vertices can be converted to sub-edge. And that's because we have this 2-point polygon. That's some silly concept from old days, but it's still in LWWelding. We have 1-point polygons and 2-point polygons, which is nonsense because 1 point is a point, 2 is a line, it's not polygon. But yeah, in LWWelding that's how it is. So you just need to be warned about that. So you pick this, and easier to pick it in the stats win and delete it. Now it's removed. And now when you hit tab key, it doesn't give you any error message anymore. So in your case, let's undo this. Instead doing this snap drag, you pick 1 point and then you pick the second point. And the first point you picked will weld to second you picked, or the third or the fourth. You can weld them all to single point. So now, kill me if I know where is it. I'm completely shortcut guys, so I don't really know where the tools are, but I know the shortcuts and they're heavily modified. So it's called weld tool, and you always can go in keyboard shortcuts and type in which tool you are searching for, and you'll see where it is in the menus. So let me do it again. Pick this one and then this one and click weld. See? Then this one and weld. So now you got welded, and you don't have 2 points here. It's just 1, and that's good. But you still have this 2-point polygon because weld tool generates this 2-point polys, so you need to delete it. Anyway, you can delete, you don't need to delete all the time. You can delete when you are ready or whatever. But yeah, just need to be aware of that. And let's try another thing. Let's undo. So in this case, let's redo. To get this, you can get it on different ways. And you can try this, select one, select another, and then hit weld average. Now see, it welds on the center between 2 points. Weld average, weld average. Or you can pick all this with lasso, right mouse button, and weld average. It will weld all these together. Now you have 6 1-point polys, and you need to pick it because you have them here now and delete. Now this mesh is fine. So let's undo. And there is another thing. You can use weld edges. See this? And then let's see this. It's welding. You can weld complete. Yeah, I have some error, but okay. See this? Or select whatever you wish and weld that, or complete a ring of edges. You just need to pick one, because ring is this anyway, and weld ring. So now you remove everything like that. And there is bend glue tool. You select 2 polygons, and now it's going to bend glue this. So yeah, there's a lot of ways in LWWelding. There is no just a single way to get something for which task. And there is, as noticed, you ask in the one other topic about how to add edges. So there is add edge tool. So you click here, click here, and it's making the edge section, whatever you, or you can use split edge like this, and it will split it in the middle. This one is now hang-on, but yeah, you get the point. If you need any assistance, just ask on the forums. These new tech forums are great, so yeah, you'll get along pretty quick with LWWelding. Bye.